Hey guys, Sabellan here, and today we're working on my custom desktop. So today we're putting in a quad-core AMD Athlon X4 860K. It's an unlocked processor, so again I can overclock this one to my desire. This seems like a really soon update for processor-wise. It's because dual core can't really play many games anymore nowadays. Well, this dual core can't for some reason. So all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver, preferably a multi-bit one. I like this one because it's a ratcheting one, and it makes it really easy to get all the screws undone. Well, that can stay in there for now. And this may not be your regular upgrade video because my PC has an aftermarket cooler. It has an it has a Cooler Master Hyper T4, so we're not putting the stock AMD cooler on it. God, I can't speak today. So let's get the cooler undone. There we go. So, I never tried to take this off before, so I'm not really sure how it comes off. All I know is it comes off somehow. There we go. Now it's off. So that's the Hyper T4 cooler. I'm just going to put it off to the side there. It's a really easy cooler to install on the AMD sockets. Let's make sure I don't lose anything. And here's the A6. So probably should grab the processor box actually. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Yeah, so the one I have in there is A6. This one, the Athlon I'm putting in is a X4. Yeah, it's a quad-core processor. It doesn't take my RAM up because it's not an APU. So grab the CPU cooler. Wow, my thermal paste didn't do so well. Oh well. Oh, that didn't work. Yeah, so you gotta clean the thermal compound off this one. But for now, I'm just gonna put it in the box it came in. Well, rested in it for now. Then I'll clean it up later on. Maybe I'll sell this processor. Maybe I'll keep it around for spare. Once you get your old processor out, let's take the new one out of the box. Don't touch the pins, don't touch the silver top. Okay, so once you've lined up your socket and all that and put it in, next thing you want to do is do some thermal compound. So buy whatever you like to buy. I bought a cheap one. So I bought Arctic MX4. Never used it before. Hopefully it's good. Actually, I probably should clean my heatsink first. Okay, so to clean your heatsink isopropyl alcohol, I only have 70% because that's all I could find around here. 3 cotton pads should do. Then with the cooler, just wipe away all the thermal compound. Make sure it's nice and clean. That looks pretty good. Grab your thermal paste. Open it up, and you only need a small little dab right in the center. That should be good. And grab your cooler, or if you're using the stock one, you don't need to worry about thermal compound because it should come with it pre-applied. Okay, give me a minute to get this done. Finally once you got your cooler on and you got the processor in and all the thermal compound is all spread around good, you're done. You put all your stuff back together and test. Download drivers if needed, and you should be good. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you disliked. Doesn't matter to me. Goodbye.